Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Economist. I would really appreciate you hitting the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what if all the software and hardware was available as a commodity? Then the real competition might be who can simply manufacture better. So rather than BMW or Apple being the competition, what if it's LG, Samsung, Sony, or Panasonic? They are all battery manufacturers too. Perhaps these are the ideal brands that suit electric cars, rather than big tech. And perhaps incumbent auto is just too tainted with fossil fuels that their brands simply don't map onto the electric cars. These companies would likely be able to compete at the lowest cost of electric car. Tesla would be the main brand, but all the other major manufacturers would fill in all the missing markets of all types of electric vehicles of various shapes and sizes. Remember, nearly 100 million vehicles are sold a year. Even if Tesla only has a 25% market share, they're going to be doing pretty well. These companies have the resources and economies of scale to mass produce EVs. Due to Tesla making such high margins, it is likely that within time, the other manufacturers may be able to actually undercut Tesla in price. Perhaps fewer features here and there, but they might target an even lower market segment, for example. Don't forget, EVs only account for 2% of auto sales still. So there are so many more market segments missing still. For example, what if Samsung decided to make a small two-seater car that had a range of only 100 miles, but the cost was only $10,000? Tesla make more than $10,000 profit for every car they sell. This may be too small for them. It is great that the other major manufacturers can supply to the various market segments that Tesla will have neglected. Tesla, of course, is still mainstream, so there would also be a market for the high-end electric vehicle. Perhaps Sony or someone else could position themselves as the luxury EV. With so much battery power in an electric car, there is such an unlimited amount of potential that you could fit out in a vehicle, particularly if there is no need for a driver, or I guess even windows. So within time, I see that big manufacturing electronics and battery companies might actually be the most on-brand to compete with EVs. They would also require an FSD solution at some stage. Alright, thanks for listening. Please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I look forward to your comments.